Hi friends, welcome to Nara, Japan. I am so excited to be here and film this very special episode exploring everything that you can do and see here in Nara, including, of course, getting up close and personal with the Nara Deer here. So let's get right into it. I'm already here in Nara Park. I did a day trip from Kyoto, so I'm actually staying in Kyoto and took the Nara Express line here, which is a train service. Costed about 750 yen, which I'll put the conversion rate right here. It's about $7 Canadian. So very reasonable to get here by train and very easy. Did take about 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah, let's show you everything Nara has to offer.
Welcome to Nara, Japan's first permanent capital, founded in 710 AD. This historic city shaped Japan's culture and religion, home to ancient temples like Todai-ji Temple, with its massive Great Buddha and the sacred deer that freely roam the streets. Today, we'll explore the beauty and history of this UNESCO World Heritage Site.
So when you do come to Nara Park, you're gonna find these rice crackers. All the proceeds, it says right on there that it's used to protect the Nara deer, as they are sacred. But yeah, they are deer friendly. They're basically rice wheat crackers. So yeah, they're 200 yen currently at the time of filming. And now I'm gonna go and feed some deer.
Nara's famous deer are considered sacred messengers of the gods in Shinto tradition. Legend has it that a god rode into Nara on a white deer to protect the city, and ever since, the deer have been revered. Today, about 1,200 of these Sika deer freely roam Nara Park. While they were once protected by law, they're now classified as a national treasure. Visitors can even feed them special crackers, and over time, the deer have actually learned to bow in exchange for food, a charming tradition unique to Nara.
So my suggestion is to get away from where they sell the crackers and find a couple ones that are chilled out, like this one right here, or these two I should say. And they won't fight you, they won't chase you, they won't bite you. They're a little bit more docile because they're in a bit of a more relaxed state. So definitely try to get away from the crowds of deer, because it looks like those are the ones that are on the attack mode.
The Todai-ji Namdaimon, or the Grand South Gate, is the largest temple gate in Japan. Built in the 12th century, it serves as the main entrance to the Todai-ji Temple and houses two giant guardian statues known as Neo that protect the temple from evil spirits. Todai-ji, completed in 752 AD, is one of Japan's most famous temples and houses the world's largest bronze Buddha statue. Unfortunately, I couldn't go inside this time due to having a small tripod with me, but I'm definitely planning to visit again when I'm back in Nara next year. I then visited Kofuku-ji Temple, originally founded in 669 AD, was one of the most powerful temples in Japan during the Nara period. It's known for its striking 5-story pagoda, the second tallest in Japan, and has a center for Buddhist learning and culture for over 1,000 years. Then it was time to grab some lunch. I headed to the shopping street where I visited Tonkatsu Ganko Nara for some delicious breaded tonkatsu. The food here was so delicious and very affordable. I really suggest checking them out if you are visiting Nara for the day. Unfortunately, during my visit, the famous Mochi shop was closed, so I definitely will be visiting here during my next visit to Nara next year. But I definitely did want to include it in this video as it is something that you should definitely put on your list if you are visiting Nara. After lunch, I was definitely looking for a sweet treat, and I found this bakery that offered a grilled cheesecake, which was absolutely delicious. It wasn't too sweet, it was perfect and had almost like a creme brulee top to it.
So I just finished a really nice sake tasting here at Harushika Sake. Really highly suggest come and checking them out if you are in Nara. It's 500 yen for a tasting of 5 different sakes, and they actually gave me a couple different bonus ones because I wanted to try a couple that were in the smaller bottles, just because I wanted to take a smaller bottle home with me back home to Canada. And I did get one. I actually got a sakura flavor, which is made with the cherry blossoms. So a really special limited edition one. But yeah, if you are in Nara, highly suggest coming and doing a sake tasting.
I wanted to have one more sweet treat before I left Nara, so I went to Daibutsu Ichigo and had one of these strawberry mochis that were 300 yen each. And again, it was so good. The Nara Tourist Information Centre, conveniently located near the Nara station, is a great first stop for visitors. It's the perfect place to grab a map and also pick up an ebi stamp as a souvenir, making it easy to plan your day and explore Nara's best sites. Be sure to also get the ebi stamp inside the Nara station, so you'll actually collect 2 stamps, one in the Nara station and one here at the Tourist Information Centre. I hope you found my travel video helpful when planning your trip to Nara. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as my next episode is going to be of Kyoto, Japan. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!